Hi guys, I am a nerd and I was bored, so I wanted to make a video of me solving a Rubik's Cube. Right now I am mixing it up. I will even close my eyes and look away just so you know I'm not trying to mix it up any special way. And I have done this in 2 minutes before. 2:06 I think is my best time, and 3 minutes is, I can definitely do it under 3 minutes. I'm like 99% sure I can do that. So we're just gonna do this. As you can see, it's all mixed up. So let's see how I do. All right, we are going to start right now. And this Rubik's Cube has been used, so it's not as smooth as some Rubik's Cubes. Not that that really affects my time, because I'm not as magnificent as people you see on the YouTubes and whatnot who do it in like 6 seconds or whatever. So, but you know, at least I can do it. That's something, I think. There's one side. I can't pay attention if it's in a frame or not, because I'm trying to like do this as fast as I can, I guess. I can't really stare at the camera while I'm doing it, so if it goes out of frame, I'm sorry. I'm trying to show you I'm not cheating, really. See, all the sides are done. Almost forgot a step there. So exciting. Are you guys excited? I'm about to do it. It's about to happen. I don't know how long that took me, but there you go. I can do it. I have